Hello everyone. In this video, we will be talking about introduction to data types. What are data types? Data types in C++ are a data type defines what kind of data a variable can store and how much memory it will use. So, let's see. A variable in C++ must be declared with a specific data types. Data types also determine which operations can be performed on the data. C++ support three types of data that are built-in primitive data types, derived data types, and user-defined data types. So let us study in deep about each of them. So built-in primitive data types. So what is a primitive data type? Built-in data types in C++ are standard predefined types provided by the language. So uh, these are in the language. C++ has some standard predefined data types that can be used like integer represented by int. It represents a whole number, example a 10, 100, 1, 101, and other like that. Then comes float or double. Float or double represent decimal values. Both have different characteristics, but both are used to define a decimal number. Then comes character char. It is used to define a single character value, and it is always defined using a single quotes. Example is single quotes A. Then comes bool. Bool is also known as boolean values that stores logical values either true or false. And the void represent no value. Void means empty. So built-in data types are the data types in the standard library that can be used anywhere. Next comes derived data types. What are derived data types? Derived data types are built from the primitive types. So uh, that includes arrays, pointers, functions, references. These types of data types are called derived data types and are created from primitive types. Like array is defined. Array can be a array of integers. Like array can store 10 integers, 15 integers, 100 integers. So it's like that. And the third types is user defined data types. What are user defined data types? These data types are created by the programmers to represent real world entities. These help group multiple variables under one name. So let us see some example to understand this. Types of user defined data types. We will be studying about the in detail in the second unit. So here is just an introduction. This is struct. The struct is used to define a structure, group variables of different types. So in a structure, we can define a integer, string, and character together, or a boolean value together. It's like that. Union shares memory for different members. So union shares single memory for different members. Enumeration, named list of constant, and a class blueprint for creating object-oriented programming. So these are the data types. Thank you.